Let's compare the fingerprint sensors of the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 Pro to see how improved the Pixel 7 Pro sensor really is. As a fun comparison, I have thrown in the Pixel 2 XL since it had the back sensor, which in my opinion was amazing and iconic. I'll be doing the comparison at 1x animation speed and then 0.5 as well. And trust me, the results are a little surprising. Let's start with the Pixel 6. Software updates have certainly made the sensor faster, but it still gave me a few failed attempts here and there. The only reason it is working well here is because I removed the screen protector for this video. If not, this would have been a very tough video to make. Nonetheless, the average time to unlock this phone and get to the home screen was around a full second. It hovered between 1 second and 1.10 seconds, which is not as fast as it should be, but it's still not as bad as it was last year. At least the software updates have made this sensor usable. Moving on to the latest Pixel, which is the 7 Pro. The sensor on this phone at first glance looks faster than last year and also more reliable. The average unlock for this phone took around 0.80 seconds. It hovered between 0.75 and 0.85 for most of the times. This is almost 25% faster than the Pixel 6, which is pretty good but not really that great. The 100% success rate is what really makes a huge difference. Finally, we have the Pixel 2 XL, which I still freaking love. This phone's back sensor was and still is so damn convenient and great. The average unlock time for this phone was just 0.60 seconds. It hovered between 0.55 and 0.65, which is even faster than the Pixel 7 Pro and shows why these sensors were so good. But if you look closely, this is actually not a true reading of the unlock speed. The Pixel 2 XL does not actually have the ripple unlock animation like the other phones. This was introduced in Android 12 while the 2 XL runs Android 11. Now is also a good time to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel. Not sure if I have hit 1,000 subs by the time I've posted this video. If not, please get me over that magic number. For me, the biggest question was if changing the animation speed to 0.5 made any significant difference. In theory, it should, but let's actually see the results. For the Pixel 6, changing the animation to 0.5 decreased the unlock time from 1 second to 0.80 seconds, which is 20% faster. This is due to the ripple animation being 50% faster now. This is pretty significant and hence I highly recommend doing so. For the Pixel 7 Pro, the unlock time decreased from 0.80 to 0.65, which once again is almost 25% faster. This is now really fast and convenient. Add to this the face unlockability and it's really great. Now since the Pixel 2 XL does not have the ripple animation, in theory turning the animation speed to 0.5 shouldn't make a huge difference. In reality though, the unlock speed decreased from 0.6 seconds to 0.5 seconds. This is crazy fast. Just goes on to show how amazing these back sensors were. Now it's understandable that Google had to move to under-display fingerprint sensors to compete with other smartphone makers. Overall, the fingerprint sensor situation on the Pixel 7 Pro has improved quite well from the Pixel 6. Even the Pixel 6 has improved since last year. Well, that's it for this video guys. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.